Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about the chapter function, and we discussed about functions as the function is a special type of a relation, and also function is a subset of a cross b. The two important thing, the two main important point of function. First one is that a function is a subset of a cross b. Okay, and two important thing is that if each element of A appears in some ordered pair in F, each element of A appears in some ordered pair of F, and no two ordered pairs in F, no two ordered pair in F have the same first element. This is the basic concept of functions F from set A to set B. Okay, now we discuss about function as a correspondence. Now we discuss about the function as a correspondence. Okay, now we discuss function as a correspondence. Suppose let A and B be let A and B be two non-empty sets Okay, then a function f from set A to set B to set B is a rule or method or method or correspondence which associates elements of set A which associates elements of set A. Okay, associates elements of set A to elements of set B to elements of set B such that first all elements of set A are associated to elements in set B are associated to elements in set B. Okay, second one, an element of set A an element of set A is associated to associated to a unique element in set B, associated to a unique element in set B. Okay, let's see once more time. Here we discuss about the function as a correspondence. Okay, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Okay, then a function f from set A to from set B is a rule or associated or method or correspondings which associates elements of set A to element of set B such that all elements of set A all all element of set A are associated to elements in set B. Okay, all elements of A set A are associated to elements in set B. An element of set A is associated to a unique element in set B. Okay, this is the necessary condition for a function. In other words, a function f from set A to set B associates each element of set A to a unique element of set B. Each element of set A to associates each element of set A to a unique element of set B. Okay, terms such as map or mapping or corresponding are used as synonyms for function. Okay, if f is a function, suppose that if f is a function from set A to set B, then we write f such that A to B. Okay, or simply we write A to B. If f is a function from set A to set B, then we can write in this way f such that A to B, which is read as f is a function from A to B or maps function or maps from A to B in this way. Okay, suppose if an element A belong A is associated to an element B belong B is associated to an element B belong B, then B is called the function image or image of a under f image of a under f or the value of the function f at A. Okay, suppose that if an element A belong A associated to an element B belong B, then B is called the f image of A image of A or image of A under f or image of A under f. Okay, suppose an element A belong A associated to an element which is B belong in B, then the B is called the image of A under f. Okay, B is called image of A under f or rule or mapping. Okay, also A is called what? Pre-image of B under the function f. A is called pre-image. A is called pre-image of B of B under F under F. Okay, A is called pre-image of B under F. This is the concept behind that. Okay, now clear? Pre-image under F. B is called the image of A under F, and A is called the pre-image of B under F. Okay, and we write it as B is equal to F of A. Okay, let's see an example. Let's see an example. Let's see an example. Suppose let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and another set B is equal to A B C D E. Okay, B two sets. B two sets. Let F1 F2 F3 and F4 be rules associating elements. B rule associating elements A2 element of B as shown in the following figures. In the following figures, and the figures are on next page. Let's see. On next page. Let's see. Your first figure is this is set A, this is set B, 1 2 3 4, and in set B A B C D E, and a function A to B is that to B 4 3 4A. Okay, this is the function F1. Okay, this is your first function F1 associated to A to element of B. Next one, set A, set B. In set A 1 2 3 4. Okay, and in set B A B C D E. 1 related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to C, 4 related to C, and 4 related to E. This is the another map. This is F2 mapping A to B. And okay, now third one, set A, set B. In that set 1 2 3 4, and in that set the element a, b, c, d, e. Okay, this is the function f3 from a to set b, which is a related to 1 related to a, 2 related to b, 2 related to b, 3 related to b, 4 related to d. This is a f3, and the last one set a, set b, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and inside b, a, b, c, d, e. Okay, this is the function f4 related to a from a to b. Okay, 1 related to b, 1 related to b, 2 related to c, 3 related to d, and 4 related to e. Okay, these are the 4 functions or mapping from a to set b, and here the element of set a is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the element of set b is a, b, c, d. Okay, now first of all, you know that the concepts of function as a correspondence, the all element of set a are associated to element in set b. First necessary condition for a function associated to the set a to from set b. First one, all elements of set a are associated, all elements of set a are associated to elements in set b. Second one, an element of set a is associated a unique element in b. Now by the concepts of function, we observe that in f1, first of all we observed f1 is not a function. Because of why this is not a function from set to set b? Because there is an element which is belong a, which is not associated to any element of b. Here the element of a, which that is 3, which is not associated to any element of b, so it is not a function. f1 is not a function. And what is the reason behind that? The reason behind that is the element of set a, one element of set a, that is 3, which is not associated to any element of b. And by the definition of functions, all the element of set a are associated to element in set b. Okay, so f1 is in this way, f1 is not a function from set a to set b. So we observed the function f2 from set a to set b. We observed that all the element of set a is associated to set b. Okay, one point is clear. But the element of a, the one element of a, that is 4, is associated to two elements of set b, which is c and d, c and e in b. Okay, so f2 is not a function. f2 is not a function. Why? By the concept, by the definition of function, an element of set a is associated to unique element of in set b. Okay, so f2 is not a function. Now we observe third function f3. Here First condition, all the elements of a set A are associated to element in set B, which is follows. All the element of set A is associated to elements in set B. 1 related to A, 2 related to A, 3 related to B, 4 related to D. Okay. And second one, an element of set A is associated to unique element in set B, na? So F3 is a function. This function F3 follows 2 points. All the elements of set A associated to in set B, and second one, an element of set A is associated to unique element of in set B. Okay, so F3 is a function. F3 is a function. Okay, now we discuss about fourth function. Here also all the elements of set A is associated to and the element of set B associated to elements in set B. Okay, and all the elements of set A associated a unique element in set B, na? 1 related to B, 2 related to C, 3 related to D, and 4 related to E. So F4 is also a function. Okay, function from set A to set B. So thus F3 and F4 are the functions from set A to set B. Okay, F3 such that a function A to B, and F4 also a function such that A to B. Because of it follows all the concepts of functions, since if all the elements of set A are associated to element in set B, and an element of set A is associated to a unique element in set B. So F3, F4 are the functions from set A to set B. Okay, this is the concept of function. Okay, now description of a function. We discuss about the description of a function. Suppose that let a function f from set A to set B be a function such that the set A consists of a finite number of elements. Suppose that let f such that A to B be a function such that the set A consists of a finite number of elements. Then f of x be described by listing the values. Then f of x is described by listing the values which it attains at different points of its domain. Okay, then f of x be described by the listing the values which it attains at different point of its domain. For example, suppose that if a set A is equal to -1, 1, 2 and 3, okay, and B is the set of the real number, then a function f such that A to B can be described as described as f minus 1 is equal to 3, f1 is equal to 0, f2 is equal to 3 by 2, f of 2 is equal to 3 by 2, and f of 3 is equal to 0. In case A is an infinite set, then f cannot be described by listing the images at point in its domain. Okay, in such cases functions are generally described by the formula. In such cases functions are generally described by a formula. For example, function from z to z given f of x is equal to x square plus x, or function such that r to r given by f of x is equal to e power x, etc. Okay, now we discuss about domain, codomain and range of a function. Now we discuss about the domain, codomain, domain, codomain and range of a function. Range of now we discuss about domain, codomain and range of a function. Okay, let f such that a to b, let f be a function from set a to set b, then the set A is known as the domain of f, then set E is called the domain of f. Okay, and set B is known as the codomain of f. Set B is known as the codomain of f, and the set of all images of element of A and the set of all f images of elements of A is known as the range of f, or image set of A under f, and it is denoted by f of A. Okay, so dear student, first of all you revise all these topics. Okay, and in next class we find the domain, codomain and range of a function. Okay, thank you.